Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about how to convert an image into a watercolor painting effect. So let's get started. First of all, open the image. Then right click the image and select duplicate layer for a backup. You can even press Ctrl or Command J. Again, right click on the image layer and choose convert to smart object. This will help keep the layer non-destructive. Now go to filter and choose filter gallery. In the artistic panel, select dry brush and keep the settings to 10, 10 and 1. Hit OK. Again, go to filter gallery and this time choose cutout. Change the values to 5, 4 and 1 and click OK. Double click on the icon next to filter gallery and change its blending mode to pin light. Click OK. Now go to filter, blur and smart blur. Change the radius to 5 and threshold to 100. Make its quality to high and hit OK. Again, click the icon near the smart blur and change its blending mode to screen and opacity to 50%. Go to filter, stylize and then find edges. Again click on this icon and change the blending mode to multiply and its opacity around 48 or 50. Now go to the Finder or Explorer and import the watercolor texture background. After importing, adjust it to the size of the document. Then change its blending mode to multiply. Go to Filter and choose Starter. Now we'll have to download the watercolor brushes. I have already shared the link in the description box. Select the background layer, press Alt or Option key and click on the vector mask. This will create an inverted mask of the layer. Now select the brush, but before that, go to the brush settings. You can find them in View option. Click on the Shape Dynamics box and change the angle jitter to 100%. This will allow the brush to change randomly. Now with the brush tool selected and white in the foreground, paint on the mask. Leave a little white space at the edges to give it the watercolor look. You can stop painting when it looks fine to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.